Hello good day viewers. Into this tutorial we are going to see the derivative of exponential functions. Maybe in calculus you will see something like that. So whenever you come across something like this, how can you solve it? So I just created the video, the derivative of exponential functions, so that you will know how can we deal with this. So whenever the derivative of x dy by dx is always the same thing as e to the power of x, and derivative of e to the power of x multiplied by u, it is always derivative of x multiplied by du dx. What I mean here is that always derivative of e to the power of x is the same thing as e to the power of x. Derivative of e to the power of x multiplied by another function is the same thing as that e to the power of x multiplied by the derivative of the function that you see in front of that e to the power of x. So we have examples. So I have y, it is equals to e to the power of 2x. How can you solve this problem? If you come across this, you have to first take note to 2x. You have to say, so this should not be equals to keep this 2x, or let me say this 2x, you are going to what? Differentiate it, then multiply by again e to the power of what? E to the power of 2x, of your final exponential, of your result of the exponential as usual, because this exponential will not change. You are just picking out the power and keep it down. So after then differentiate 2x, I'll get 2, so this is e to the 2x. So that's all. So this is the solution to this first question. The second says y equals to e to the x squared. Keep this down, x squared d by dx multiplied by e to the x squared. Differentiate this, I'll get 2x e to the x squared. I'm done with it. What's next? Question 3. It says y equals to e to the 3x plus 1. Keep it down and differentiate it. 3x plus 1 but d dx multiplied by again 3x plus 1. Understand, this e to the 3x plus 1 and this e to the x squared and this e to the 2x will never change. It will stay as it is. So differentiate this, I'll get 3. Differentiate 1, it is 0, so I've only put 3 e to the 3x plus 1. What of e to the 5x? So 5e to the x as y equals to this. You have to first keep down this aside with d by dx multiplied by y e to the x. So differentiate x, it is 1. 1 multiplied by this, it will give you the same thing as 5e to the x. So the last but not the least, y, it is equals to x e to the x. Yeah. What will be the answer? We can't differentiate this directly because this is a product rule. The product rule says that we are going to use its formula. So y, it is equals to x e to the x. That of saying this is u, this is v, u v prime plus v u prime. What is u? U, which is x, keep it aside, and then v prime, derivative of what? E to the power of x is same thing as e to the power of x. E to the power of x plus v. This is v, okay, v, it is e to the power of x, the same thing, and therefore multiplied by u prime, which is 1. So this is the same thing as if I factor out e to the power of x. Okay, this is something as saying e to the x plus e to the x. This multiplied by 1 is something as e to the power of x. Factor out e to the power of x outside x plus 1. Bam. So that's all. E to the power of x, x plus 1. So I hope this video it is more clear to you. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if this video is more helpful to you for today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to share it to your learning colleagues so that they will learn more on it.